Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and I want to call this like a baking basics series. It's more like frosting basics. So today we are looking at several very popular ways to frost a cupcake. Let's get started.
I'm using these 4 piping tips. The top left is probably the most popular for frosting cupcakes. It's a Wilton 1M tip, but you can use any large open star tip with few teeth to get a similar effect. The top right is a medium closed star tip, the bottom left is a medium open star tip, and the bottom right is a large round tip. Then I put each tip in a piping bag with buttercream. This is peanut butter frosting, but any pipeable buttercream should work just fine. We'll start with a large open star tip. The first is a classic swirl. Start with a dollop in the middle and swirl the buttercream around the dollop, building height as you go. This is a variation on the classic swirl without the dollop. This is a rosette. It's a great one for cupcake bouquets. Now I'm switching to the round tip. This is basically the rosette with a round tip. It's great if you want to add other decorations onto the top of the cupcake. This one is basically the opposite, working out to in and building up some height. This one is good if you have a cake topper on a stick. Or if you want a bit less frosting on your cupcakes, try dollops covering the top. Switching to the medium open star, let's see what the classic swirl looks like with more teeth. And of course, the rosette. Now let's try something different. Starting in the middle, I'm piping shells towards one side. And covering the empty side with a squiggle. I think this one looks a lot like an ocean wave. Now let's see the closed star tip. Classic swirl one more time. I love the ruffles on this one. It's so fun. And the rosette. Much more ruffly. And drop flowers or tall stars, whatever you want to call them. It really shows off the fun texture you get with this tip. Yes, these go that fast. They use a lot of buttercream, so make sure to make enough, but look at how many options you have. Choose your favorites, make as many as you like. Happy baking! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and now TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.